Welcome back to the Electricians 2 channel. On the bench today we have the GREENLEE AC/DC 1000 amp true RMS clamp meter, model number CM-1550. This clamp meter was released to the market in the year of 2003. This model here, as far as this design, has been discontinued. They have since came out with a new model of the 1550. I think it's the 1550A, I believe. And they have that one out. I've owned a GREENLEE meter, clamp meter once before, but it was for a 600 amp. It was okay. It was okay until I remember I was working in this industrial plant, and I was using the GREENLEE, and I mean it served me well. Didn't have any trouble with it until, as always, I used one of my friend's fluke meters, and that did it for me. And no, so I'm not saying that to each his own. You know what I'm talking about, each his own. But it's just that when I used the fluke, and I just fell in love with the fluke. Not taking anything from GREENLEE, but I just fell in love with the fluke for a lot of reasons, and you guys may know what those reasons are. Anyway, guys, if during this video that you enjoy the video, and or if you've been enjoying my videos, I'm asking for your support. I'm asking if you can subscribe to the channel. That would be nice, so you won't miss any of my up-and-coming videos, and it'll put you in rotation for all of my previous videos, the ones that you missed. You can, I'd like for you to hit the like button. That would help also to support the channel. And if you choose to leave a comment, do so. Ask a question, do so. I will answer you back. And all of that is for free, fellas, and I would greatly appreciate it if you help out. Thanks. Anyway, this clamp meter, it's like I said too. I like it. And why do I have a clamp meter that has 1,000 amps? All of my clamp meters basically is 1,000 amps. Have I ever measured 1,000 amps before? Sorry to say, in all my years, no, I haven't. But I've always had in my mind, because it happened to me once before, that it's better to have more than not enough. And when you're doing a lot of industrial work, you run across all kind of voltages and amperages, and you want to have the right tool for the right job. So that's what made me buy all of 1,000 amp clamp meters. So mostly all of my high dollar clamp meters are 1,000 amps. So that's just how it is. But this is a very nice clamp meter. It's having issues with it at all. So what I'm going to do, I don't have the manual with me to read off some of the specifications. Let's just zoom in and look at what's around the dial, and look at some of the features, and we'll talk about that. Okay? So let me just zoom you guys in, and let's talk about down here. All right, you see the jack inputs, common, volts, resistance, and hit the bottom, just 2 inputs, and the min-max, the soft keys, min-max, the yellow button is for the backlight, which would be right there, which is a real nice backlight. It's evenly lit, it has a bar graph, which is nice. So a nice large numeric font, and you also have a 0 button. A lot of our meters today don't have a 0 button, but this one does. But nice meter overall. So the screen is really nice. It has and let me see. I have it plugged into voltage right now, but I'll come back to that. And it's true RMS. There's a hold button. Let's go around the dial at the top. Okay, you see the off button, the voltage AC, voltage DC. You see a resistance, continuity, amperage, 400 amp, 1000 amp, and hertz button. They don't have anything special like around the back except just a regular meter. Okay, just plain basic meter. No weather holder. There's no magnets on the back. There's no place to hold your test leads. And speaking of the test leads here are really nice. GREENLEE. They're really nice. Now, don't know. These are really nice GREENLEE. Flexible. They're I don't think these are one that came with it though. That model. I don't think so. But I don't remember. No, I don't think these are. But these are GREENLEE test leads, and they're already nice, flexible, and high quality to me. I don't know who's the original maker of this meter. I don't know if it's Bryman. I don't know if it's Bryman makes this for GREENLEE or Appa. One of those companies was making their meters. I think it's I want to say it's Bryman. I think Bryman was making GREENLEE meters. I want to say Appa was making the Ampro meters. Some of Ampro's meters. Okay, but anyway, this is you can see all the information here at the top, and also you can see it as far as the clamp. It's kind of wider than normal because if you have to clamp around large cables, that's what it is. To me, it looks kind of obsolete. It's kind of too big, but they just gave you enough room just to make sure, and I do understand that. As far as let me think, it's 600 volts. I do know that. 600 volts, 1,000 amps. Okay, and I don't know. It's a really nice meter. I want to compare this meter here with one of my other, or some of my other 1,000 amp clamp meters. Now they made to say this meter is what 2003, 21 years old. I would say that it had a lot of nice features. It have a lot of nice features to say that it's this old. And compared to some of the meters today, I think it's done well. I really think it's a very nice meter. I would use it. But anyway, GREENLEE. Let me see. Let me get something out so I can just show you just kind of the accuracy of it. All right. I have a I don't think this would do it. So let me just back up and show you what I got. I have a but I'm gonna do it anyway. I have a capacitor, and I also have another capacitor here. That's for 32,000 microfarads, and I doubt if we even get that far. So, but this one doesn't do microfarads. Wow. Huh? It doesn't do capacitance at all. I thought I saw it on there. Okay, it doesn't do capacitance. Okay, let me try something else then. This resistor, I don't know if you can see it. 40,000 ohms. Okay, so I don't know if they get up that high, but we're going to see. Since it's an industrial. Okay, let me see. Try resistance. All right, 1 second. 40,000 ohms. what is it on? It's not doing anything at all. So continuity. So let me see what it gives me. I'm trying to. Okay. Maybe it's not showing anything because it's too much, but I'm trying something. It's not showing anything with this either. The bar graph is on, but it's not showing me. The numbers are not changing. Hold on, guys. It's not working. Okay. It's giving me continuity, but it's not giving me a resistance. There we go. There we go. Let's try this right quick. I doubt if it does it, but it may be too much. 40. Well, guess what? The bar graph is reading. No. It won't read it, fellas. It won't read it. I just thought I'll try to do something with it, but it won't read it. It's too much. Anyway, like I expected, it won't read it. But anyway, guys, you know, it's a nice. There's a nice. It is a nice meeting, and it'll get the job done. But for 20 years old, 20 years old, 21 years old, or back then, I should say, when this meter was out, it served its purpose. I remember, like I said, I remember having one, and it did the job until I started using the Fluke, and then I was sold. You know, I was bought and sold after that. But anyway, fellas, it's not much more I can really say about this meter, except to tell you that I will be comparing this meter in the future against some more 1,000 amp meters that I do have. Just doing a comparison, a review on it, and talking about the meter. So if you like the channel and you want to see that video, just leave a comment if you choose to. But don't forget to support the channel to help the channel to grow. In the meantime, guys, you all take care, and I'm out.